Do you see a braking power low message on your Toyota's dashboard? Newer Toyota models have advanced braking systems that provide the added support needed to stop before a collision occurs. However, this system isn't foolproof. If you get the warning message indicating braking power low on a Toyota Highlander or Camry, you want to pay attention. What does the braking power low mean on my Toyota? The braking power low message on a Toyota comes on when the braking system isn't getting the vacuum it needs. Modern Toyota vehicles use a separate vacuum pump to build up the vacuum, and if the pressure is not enough, it will illuminate this light. With a lack of power in the braking system, it can be more difficult to push the pedal down or it may feel very stiff. Additionally, you may not have the braking power required to stop your vehicle in time. With older brake systems, problems were often related simply to the brake pads, rotors or fluid. That's no longer the case. Now, with all of the electronic equipment and vacuum configuration, you see there's much more that can go wrong.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.